The major differences between WhatsApp and Signal, they are as follows. I summarize them in 4 major points. So to start with, we have, if you you prefer the dark theme or the light theme, so all you have to do is just to do those pressing, which is like really basic. The second one, for example, concerning the privacy, so if you don't want just to see people you're typing, so you could just select this one. Or concerning the read receipt, which is exactly similar to WhatsApp. Another option, like if you go into a message, for example, so what you've got here, which is like really nice, so you have the disappearing messages, so you have loads of time, so you could have a message would disappear after 10 seconds of being received and read. One would disappear after 6 hours of being received and read, while in WhatsApp it's only like specifically 1 week. Another one is just like you have all the media for every person you talk to. You have all the media are distributed into like folders, so it's like media on its own, file on its own, audios on its own, so it does not have to be all in one. Okay, as you could see here. Another while in WhatsApp, for example, you have the status, and Signal you don't have it as a storage. And the major problem in the Signal is like in Lebanon you could get the WhatsApp only package from the mobile company, and this would not work on Signal, so you must have like a proper internet connection.